Hey guys, it is the weekend, and the weekend would not be a weekend for some of us without our favorite dessert. So, I have a treat for you. This dessert that I will be baking has two secret ingredients. So, continue watching, guys. I'm not going to give it away yet. I want you to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, like up this channel, and you will see exactly, guys, what this dessert is all about. Guess what I'm baking? Let's start baking. Yes, babies. I love this dessert and I'm gonna continue until the end. So let's get going. Yeah. These are the things needed: a blender, your blueberries, 3/4 cups of light brown sugar, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, an egg, your spices: vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and the second secret ingredients, your coconut. Wash your blueberries thoroughly. Put some blueberries in a small pot of water, and we will be stewing these blueberries until they are very soft. Now we have our coconut. Let's start cutting up this coconut for blending. Our coconut is cut up into cubes, so let's start blending. Our coconut is blended. Let's strain this coconut. Let's squeeze this coconut. The milk is what we will be using as part of our ingredients for this dessert. This is what the coconut milk looks like. And this is what the stewed blueberries look like. The stewed blueberries are all done. Now we're ready to start making our mixture. Let's add 3 tablespoons of baking powder to 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. It's time to add our sugar and spices to our coconut milk. Add 3/4 cups of sugar to your coconut milk along with your vanilla, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Add an egg to your flour. Make sure you take out the eye. Then add your blueberries. Add your coconut mixture to your blueberries, your flour, and your egg. Mix thoroughly until it is smooth. I have some leftover blueberries, so I will be adding this to my mixture. I love blueberries. Squeeze a small amount of lime into your mixture. I will be adding some extra coconut flakes to my mixture. This gives my mixture extra flavor. Let's add some more coconut flakes. Now my mixture is all done. I am now ready to reveal what I'm making. I am making blueberry coconut loaf. Pour your mixture into this loaf pan. Bake on 350 degrees for 1 hour. Before I put my mixture into the oven, I will be adding some sliced almond on top of my mixture. This is my blueberry and coconut loaf. Crunchy. I could taste the blueberries, the coconut flakes, and it's natural coconut, guys. It is nice. It is hot. This with a glass of natural juice or a glass of cold milk is the way to go. Yummy!